What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, so today I wanted to take a look at Tellurian's chart to see where the price is going to go from these levels. So there's a few interesting things that I've noticed on the Tellurian Inc's chart that I want to discuss and share with you all and hopefully get some feedback as well. So first off, obviously we had this big gap down after the news about the public offering came out, but the downtrend continued throughout yesterday. But then we saw this huge engulfing green candle right towards the end of the day, and we also got some good volume here. An engulfing green candle in a downward trend is a positive and bullish sign, which indicates a potential reversal. Then we also have these two shaven bottom candlesticks here, which are usually also a bullish sign. These candlesticks indicate that there were no sellers trying to sell the stock at a lower price, and we can see that because there is no wick at the bottom of these candles. Now when we look at the MACD here, we can see that these two lines converged at this point. Whenever these lines converge, it means that the existing trend is about to reverse, and since we were in a downtrend, we could start seeing a trend reversal. Finally, when we take a look at the candlesticks here, we can see that we're getting closer to the simple moving averages. But since we're still below the moving averages, it means we're still technically in a downward trend on the 5-day chart. However, the fact that we're closing the distance and getting closer to the moving averages could also indicate that we might see a trend reversal soon. When I say trend reversal, I'm not saying that we're going to shoot way up unless of course we get some really positive news. All I'm saying is that there is a good chance, in my opinion, that we end this week close to or even over the $3.11 mark. Technical analysis is more of an art than a science, so it's definitely possible that things don't pan out as I say they will, but that's my prediction for the rest of the week. There's another thing that I want to mention which I forgot to talk about in the last video. B. Riley, who was the book runner for this recent public offering, has a price target of $8 for Tellurian. So things aren't as bad as they seem on the surface. Meanwhile though, Zacks has downgraded Tellurian to a sell again. Zacks can't make up their mind about any stock, to be honest. They are probably the worst indicator of whether a company is going to do well or not in the future. I simply refuse to believe that there are actual people out there that pay for a Zacks subscription. But of course, this is my own opinion, but I want to hear from you guys. What do you think about Zacks Investment Research? Leave a comment below and let me know. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.